Have you ever seen a bedroom online and thought, why does this look so much more expensive than mine? And the funny thing is, most of the time, it's not because they bought super expensive furniture. It's the small details that make the room feel finished. So if you want that high-end designer bedroom look without doing a complete makeover, let me show you 5 simple things that can make a huge difference. First, upgrade your bedding. Your bed is usually the biggest thing in the bedroom, so naturally, it gets the most attention. Instead of using just a flat bed sheet and one pillow, try creating some layers. Start with a good neutral bed sheet, add a duvet or comforter, then bring in 2 larger pillows at the back and smaller cushions in front, and add 1 soft throw at the end of the bed. The goal isn't to use lots of cushions. It's about creating different layers and textures. That instantly gives your bed that comfortable luxury hotel feeling. Second, choose. This is probably one of the easiest ways to make a bedroom feel expensive. If you're using only one bright white ceiling light, your room can feel very harsh. Instead, introduce warm lighting through bedside lamps, wall lights, or a small floor lamp. And here's the important part. Don't make every light equally bright. You want some areas brighter and some softer. That creates depth and makes the room feel much more cozy and sophisticated. Third, go for full-length curtains. This is such a simple trick, but it can completely change the proportions of your bedroom. Instead of hanging your curtain rod just above the window, take it closer to the ceiling and let the curtains fall all the way to the floor. Why does this work? Because your eyes naturally follow the curtains upward, making the ceiling feel taller and the entire room feel more elegant. And you don't necessarily need expensive curtains. Even simple curtains can look premium when they're properly hung and tailored to the space. Fourth, add 1 statement piece. And this is where I want you to resist the temptation to over-decorate. You don't need something on every wall or every corner. Choose 1 piece that catches attention. It could be a large artwork above the bed, a beautiful mirror, an accent chair, or even a sculptural vase. 1 strong piece usually looks much more sophisticated than 10 small decorative items competing for attention. And fifth, declutter and create space. This might not sound like a designer find, but honestly, it can make the biggest difference. Look at your bedside table. Do you really need 5 different things sitting there? Probably not. Keep only what you actually use and maybe 1 beautiful decorative piece. The same goes for your dresser, floor, and open shelves. Because when there is visual breathing space, your beautiful furniture and decor actually get noticed. And that is really the secret behind a high-end bedroom. It's not about filling the room with expensive things. It's about layering, lighting, proportion, and restraint. So before you spend money on a complete bedroom makeover, try these 5 changes first. You might be surprised by how different your existing bedroom can look. And if you love practical interior ideas that make your home feel more luxurious without making it complicated, subscribe, because I'll see you in the next interior upgrade.